Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. Alright, what we're looking at here is a coil. It's a tri-filer coil. It's got 777 turns of 24, 32, and another 32. So our tri-filer strand is the one that I like to call it, is being hooked to the output of my SSG circuit. So like right on the end, it gets sent out with the rest of the output. It nearly doubles the output. So, and just for an MPN that works, you turn it on to 12 volts, and this is what it should say: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 amps. Okay, nothing is happening. There's no current because your MPN is good, and you haven't started the motor yet. But it is very easy to make the MPN not good and still work, but but you can tell it's like a really annoying kind of like just scraping. It's like a scraping noise, scraping on copper. That's what it sounds like to me. All right, but this one is good. 12 volts, 0 amps. As soon as I start it up, the amps will start flowing in their respective manners. I believe it's going to cost about 350 milliamps to run this. We got about 9.5 in the battery right now. This battery is busted, I should say. Once it gets to about 10, it'll start rapidly charging, but then none of it, it's all froth. And then it just sinks back down to 9.5. So I don't think this is a good demonstration of the battery charging after a certain point. I think about 9.8 is where it gets kind of wacky. But here, we're going to start it up. It's 24 gauge and 32 gauge for the trigger. So 24. Oh, it's already rapidly charging. This is not normal, okay? This does not mean that your battery is charging that fast. It means that your battery is broken, at least half broken anyway. And the reason you can tell is when you turn the power off and it sinks right back down. It takes a while for it to level out, but it goes pretty much back down to where it was. But it'll run at 9 volts. It'll run at where it stops at down to where it's going to. Well, actually, I think there's a massive voltage drop. I'm not sure. I haven't measured all angles of this battery in a long time. Well, not a long time, but long enough for me to not remember. But yeah, it just sinks right back down. The cool this rotor here acts like a fan. It has a fan effect to it. It has a toroidal effect. It's got 4 spokes. It's a wheel. It's got little fins. And it sucks the air down through the middle and pushes it out the side. It's really kind of neat. So I put some fabric softener on the bottom there and turned it into like an air filter. Made a video about it. It's pretty neat. But what I really wanted to show you, see, the bottom of it is made out of iron infused PLA, so it's holding the magnets in place, right? It's just sitting there, and the magnets aren't being pushed out. This is really good for like forward progress. I think this is going to be one of the more stable rotors that I have going right now, because it doesn't need that second toroid on the rotor. It's got the magnets holding it up, and it's got the iron infused PLA holding the magnets in place so they don't pop out. Whoa. And then I got this 12 magnet rotor. This coil is 11.4 ohms of 32. I'm not exactly sure how many turns it is. It's got to be around 200 turns. About 5 layers on that bobbin. And then it's wrapped in 2 layers of aluminum wire. I believe it's 16 gauge, or maybe it's 1 millimeter. I'm not sure. It's pretty thick. And I'm yoking whatever magnetic field I get off of that. Oh, it's got a ferrite ferrous core. That's 3/8 of an inch by 2 inches. So it goes through that whole thing. It's pretty cool. I mean, I'm going to start it up for you. It's not very fast, of course. It's running on my magnetic switch here. We can just turn it up to like a 12-volt battery, because we're not going to draw many amps. Well, we're up to 400 milliamps. It's going to simmer down once it gets going here. If I can't find a good use for it, I'm going to make a 12 coil rotor motor. Use this rotor. So 11.4 ohms, a 32 gauge. It's a very tiny coil. It's like one, it's got to be close to the smallest one I've ever made with these dimensions. I've made 50 turns around something like this before. It's a really small coil too. So yeah, I mean, it's slow to pick up. It doesn't get going really fast. So I don't know if you're into like maybe it'd be good for, and maybe we could get it going faster if we used a different method of switching. But this is one coil at 12 volts. And there it is, yoked in aluminum. 11.4 ohms of 32 gauge. I have no idea how many turns it is. Like I said, it's probably 200, 150. It's about 5 layers, and it just covers it basically. I had to wrap it by hand, so I didn't get a counter on it. Just let it speed up a little bit. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Bye now.